Does the PhiCleaner really not require a remote control? The answer is really no need. You may not believe this answer at the moment. To clear up your doubts, we'll test PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning on vehicle roof. Our tall and upright test personnel is ready. First, we need to install standard PV panels with grid lines on the vehicle roof. Considering the limited area of the roof, we will install two full-size PV panels for this test. Fix the PV panel's position and place PhiCleaner. Open the dedicated icon in advance and configure PV panel's information and cleaning frequency. Once the setup is complete, simply press the autonomous cleaning button to start. You can also start autonomous cleaning through the button on the robot itself. PhiCleaner adopts scientific rectangular return, autonomous cleaning path planning. It accurately identifies the grid lines on PV panels using a visual positioning technology, moving straight with an accuracy of 5 millimeters for 100 meters cleaning. With PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning, there are no blind spots. No need for rake cleaning. 100% coverage of PV panels avoids ineffective cleaning, deep cleaning of frame stains, greatly improving your cleaning efficiency. PhiCleaner has been certified by the authoritative France Bureau Veritas Group. PV panels after water cleaning 10,000 times by PhiCleaner without microcrack, ensuring PV panels safety. We have also equipped PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning with ultrasonic sensing technology to ensure the cleaning safety of the robot. It can autonomously turn and reverse to prevent the device from falling. The robot is warmed up and we are ready to drive the vehicle. For this test, we will limit the driving speed of the vehicle to within 30 kilometers per hour. Considering the challenges of filming, the subsequent aerial shots will be taken over by DJI drone. It is important to note that drones must be operated by professionals and cannot be imitated at will. DJI drone is in position and takes off. In the next video, we will show you the results of this test. If you are interested in PhiCleaner, you can subscribe to our channel. See you next time!